This is what I do with the dish if I'm doing the dishwasher at 11 o'clock and I can't be bothered to wash it.